Hi, it's Cassie. Today I have a really quick, fun project using one of my most favorite techniques ever. It's very simple and very effective. So we're starting with white gesso from the Crafter's Workshop, and I'm just covering completely this cardboard banner. And then I've got some water reactive pigment spray from Dylusions, and some of it's shimmery and some of it is just regular dye ink in the spray. And I'm moving this around the base of the layout here so that I can get some really pretty spring colors going on. So I've got like a yellow and a nice fuchsia, and I've just added a little spritz of water to help it to move around and give it sort of a blended look in the end. And so I'm just moving it around till I'm happy, let it dry, and you can see how much it lightens up when it dries. So I did a second layer just to add a little extra color and movement in there. And so I've used the yellow and the fuchsia again, and then later I do add some turquoise and then let it all dry. And you can see once it's dry, it's really quite pastel looking, but it's so pretty, just perfect for springtime, which is what I was going for. So I've got this really amazing 12 by 12 wild and free stencil here, also from the Crafter's Workshop. This is really the whole project all by itself. I mean, I didn't really have to do anything extra. It's just so gorgeous on its own. So I'm using light and fluffy modeling paste from the Crafter's Workshop here, and I'm covering all of the flowers and the butterfly at the top with it, and I'm going to let it dry. And you'll see the magic happen. And then the words I did with the black modeling paste, which is my other favorite medium, quite easily. So then while that's drying, I have some copper wire that I am just twisting around and adding a little whimsy to, and then I'm going to put it through the holes there so we can use this to hang our project when it's complete. Really easy to work with. That copper wire too is it really just adds a little bit extra to this project. And then, like I said, I didn't really need to add too much, but I've used this girl before, and she's very like a free spirit, and she just speaks to me, and I really like her. So I gave her some wings and popped her up off the page a little bit with some foam adhesive. And then finally we're adding some Irresistible Pico Embellisher in black. I love using this to make black splatter on my projects because it adds a little dimension and a little bit of shine. And then the very last step, I decided I needed to have just a couple of those pearls there just to add a little extra touch. So that is my final project. It was really easy to do and super simple, and look at how that modeling paste pulls that color through there. I didn't add any other color on top of that, and I just love this technique. Super easy. I hope that you enjoyed this project and found some inspiration. Please consider subscribing to my channel and tapping the bell so you don't miss future videos, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. Bye bye.